Okay, so today we're going to be doing our adding and subtracting of decimals. So let's start, say we had 2.345 and we're adding it to 3.612. It's really important that you have all of your decimal places, so all of these numbers here, lined up in the correct decimal place. Otherwise you will come out with a wrong or an incorrect answer. So here we go, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 6 is 9, and 2 plus 3 is 5. Pretty simple, yes? A lot of it for you would be revision. Let's do something where we need to carry numbers over. So let's go 1.282 plus, oh, I should have put a plus there, plus 2.719. So I'll change my colours here. So here we have 2 plus 9 is 11, 8 plus 2, because we have 8 here, plus 1 plus 1, so that's 10, so we carry 1 over. 2 plus 7 plus 1 is also 10, and then we have 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is 4. So now we have our decimal numbers all added up. Now let's have a look at subtraction. So what I'll do here is we'll move this screen up if we can. No, it doesn't want to do it. Okay, so let's do, for example, 2.397 take 1.215. So in this case, we have 7 take 5, which is 2, 9 take 1 is 8, 3 take 1 is 1, and 2 take 1 is 1. So that one's pretty straightforward. Let's do one where we have to carry over though. Okay, so let me change my coloured pen just to make it a bit easier to see. Alright, so let's say we have 3.471 take 2.589. Okay, so now we're going to do a slightly harder one. So here I'm going to change colours so you can see it as well. Okay, so here we want to, because we're taking this number from this number, we want to, the easiest way is we count down. So if we change that to a 2, that to a 3, that to a 6, because we're basically taking units of 10 off each line here. And then if we're adding this, we're going to, because we've taken the 1 off all of these, we're going to add it to the end here. So instead of being 1, it's now going to be 11. Okay, so then we have 11 take 9 is 2. Now we want to make this as a 16. We want to add back in that 1 that we took off before. So now it's 16 take 8, which is 8. Again, we want to add in another 1. 13 take 5 is 8. And 2 take 2 is 0. Okay, so let's add another page. Alright, so now what we want to do is do a bit of practice. So, have a go at these two. We're going to add first, add 5.781 plus 4.872. That's a 4. Work out what that answer is. And then if you could work out 6.780 take 4.237 and work out those, and we'll have a discussion in class. Thanks.